Oh, hey there, cheeky monsters. It's me, OB. I'm sorry I'm feeling a little sad today. Do you want to know why? Well, I was colouring in and I was getting all creative when I accidentally snapped my favourite pencil in half. I think I was pressing down on the paper just too hard. You know, normally when I'm feeling sad, Cheeky Monster Glitter appears and we get all dressed up. And we have a party with a big disco light and a big disco ball. Why don't we make our very own glitter ball? We can do the glitter wiggle with Cheeky Monster Glitter. That should do the trick, yeah. Drago made a list for us, so let's take a look and see what we'll need. We will need a large polystyrene ball, lots of kitchen foil, some glue, some sticky tape, some wire, a skewer, but if you don't have one, you can always use a knitting needle. And of course, your hands. You may need a grown-up's help with some of the tricky parts too. Now that we've got everything that we need, let's get this glitter ball on the roll. So the first thing we're going to need is our polystyrene ball. But since I don't need both halves to begin with, I'm going to take the first half and wear it as a hat. But I am already wearing a hat, so maybe we'll just save this bit till later. So back to our glitter ball. The first thing we need to do is make a hole in the very, very top. And for that, we need something sharp. And I have the perfect thing. Our skewer. You can also use a knitting needle if you don't have one. You place it at the very top, and then you're going to make a hole. All you need to do is push it through. Now, it can be very sharp, so you may need a grown-up's help with this bit. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. May need to give it a bit of a glitter wiggle to help it through. And, there we go. And then all you have to do is pull it through. And just like that, we've made a perfect hole in the top of our polystyrene ball. Phew! Well, I'm glad that bit's over with. Hey, have you ever noticed that glitter balls hang way up high in the ceiling? That means we need something to hang our glitter ball with. And I have just the thing, our wire. Take the wire, fold it in half, so you get two ends together, like this. Perfect. Push it through the hole that we made earlier. Now, this bit's a little bit tricky. Hey, I've made a loop. Flip the glitter ball over, bend the wire to one side. Great. Now, we just need something to hold it in place. I know, some sticky tape. So we'll grab the tape, give it a bit of a rub. Oh, this is really sticky. And just like that, we have our glitter ball. I think something's missing. Oh, silly me. We need our glitter. And I have the perfect thing. Foil. Oh, look how shiny it is. Now remember, scissors can be very sharp, so you may need to ask a grown-up for help. Here we go. Oh, careful. 1. Watch your fingers. Oh. 2. And then you just keep cutting your foil until you have lots of foil squares, like I have. Now, for my favourite part. There! If you've ever seen a glitter ball before, you will have noticed that there are teeny tiny gaps in between each square. I've left these gaps too. This will mean our glitter ball will be really, really sparkly. And now we just need to decorate the other half of the polystyrene ball just like this. Okay, so let's twist these two halves together so they're nice and snug. There you go. And if you really want to, you can always just glue them together so they don't come apart. Now you'll be ready for your very own glitter ball. Wow, I think Glitter's really gonna love it. Oh, why not put on some music and try out some of our very own disco dance moves? Or we could even do the glitter wiggle. And for a cheeky top tip, turn off the lights, shine your torch onto your glitter ball and watch as the reflected lights dance on the walls. Well, cheeky monsters, making a glitter ball has definitely cheered me up. In fact, I'm in the mood for a glitter disco party! And I hope you've had fun too, and be sure to join me again soon for some more cheeky creations. And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Until next time, cheeky monsters, goodbye!